learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
客家人称土地公为爸公，称土地公庙为爸公哈。尊敬自然与人之间的关系，而有水头伯公、水尾伯公、庄头伯公以及法苏哈爸公等不同形式表现。在美浓大大小小约300座。客家人认为文字是神圣的，也相当重视。过去会把废字纸拿到禁字亭焚烧交还上天，表达客家人敬字习字的情怀。目前在美浓尚有4座保存较完整的禁字亭。这些充分表现出客家人对自然生活环境的崇敬与珍惜的态度。
Hey, what's up, Nancy? How are you doing?
Hey.
You know, this whole month we're taking our listeners to Meinong and Kaohsiung.
Right.
Have you been there?
I haven't, and I'm ashamed.
You gotta go check it out. And when you do, you gotta check out their paper umbrellas.
Right, they're famous for that.
Yes. And also, 八公.
八公.
八公就是伯公。伯公有听过吗？
没有耶。
其实就是土地公啊。
Oh, the local guardian deity.
That's right. That's what it's called. Yeah, the earth god or the local guardian deity.
Oh, actually, I've heard that the Hakka culture has more than one type of bakong.
Yeah, in fact, here in Meinong, they have roughly 300 statues of bakong, and they place them at the beginning and end of streams, in front of towns, and even one under a huge old tree, all across nature. In fact, they respect the nature so much that even written words on paper are not to be thrown away, like in the trash.
Wow.
You need to collect them and take it to the incinerators that are around Meinong and send it back to the heavens.
Oh, okay, so it's a ritual also indicating the respect for nature and for the environment.
Exactly.
Actually, that's kind of like the Maya peoples, the Mopan and the Kekchi. They live in Guatemala and Belize, and they also have similar rituals to show the respect to for the connection to Earth. So what they do is they give ritual offerings and they burn resin and bark of the copal tree during these ceremonies, and the smoke that's rising into the heavens is supposed to indicate their love for nature and their connection.
Exactly.
And they also believe in only taking what is necessary and what they need and not more than that.
Not wasting your resources, basically.
Exactly.
So I'm going to have to go to Belize and check this out one day.
And I'd love to go to
And you have to
Meinong.
come to Meinong, yes.
Yeah.
We should do that one day, okay? And it's naturally beautiful over there as well. But before we go, let's have Leo teach us some vocabulary in Hakka, which is 伯公,
八公,
八公. And then the temple that 八公 is in, 就是土地公庙叫做
八公哈.
八公哈. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka on ICRT. 俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.